Kabaningkong kadai Hail Corona Warriors. Kadaw mga tao yung nagijingway ka lang ba ngakwa ban pampahoy gijing yaro nagbanta kini ki klawat corona kibada ki doktor ki nurse ki pulit ki riushimet nani ki seng bahalang ki bala tracitom ki bala IT yala di yala gajong gajing imru nagbanta ban yarap ye ki para brio bayo ki bangat hakini gijing pangklam.
Assisting those in pain, sacrifice their time and strength, they do it for no gain. Healing hands, comforting voice, they give to everyone, never turning back and never leave things undone. Shining light for all. Hail Corona heroes, you're faithful to your call. Hail Corona warriors, you're courageous and kind. Generous persons like you, it's hard to find.
To all the health workers, fighting all nations, to the thousands of them who are risking their own lives, to the health workers who are keeping people alive.
Doctors, nurses, and medics who serve humanity, counting not the suffering, they work with humility. Angels sent by God on high to care for those in need. Some have lost their lives, a true sacrifice indeed. Hail Corona warriors, you're shining light for all. Hail Corona heroes, you're faithful to your call. Hail Corona warriors, you're courageous and kind. Generous persons like